Hey everybody, good evening. Welcome to the Paradigm Shift. Happy New Year. Today we are in conversation with Nishita Koka from the beautiful organization of Karke Dekho Acha Lagta Hai. Welcome, Nishita.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Uh, Happy New Year to you too. I'm just going to read a little bit about Nishita. Nishita is professionally a conceptual designer. She works as an architect, interior designer, also an animation and graphic designer. She's a founder of two startups, Coca Innovations and Cat Eye Designs, and we have so much more to hear from her about this beautiful organization which has been started by Mr. Raj Trivedi 5 years back. And we're going to understand how from just distributing khichdi to the nearby neighborhood, it became into a 17,000 strong family. So, welcome, Nishita. Let's hear it. And because Raj is apparently absent, we've been trying to follow him up from December. And poor guy, he's been like so busy doing his work. He's playing Santa Claus all of December. And I kept following him
Yeah,
up, and he kept saying, I'm so sorry, I have this event, and then now I have this event. And I said, no problem. And then finally, he's told me that I must speak to you, Nishita, and you're doing an amazing job as an admin in this organization. So tell us how the whole thing began.
yeah. You mentioned just now that you have been following Raj since December. Actually, I must say, in this pandemic situations, since I can say the lockdown began, no, since then till now, it's continuously his on field. He's working
Wow.
like day and night for everything. So
Wow.
it's not just now. It means difficult to catch him. It's since many months he's running only.
So
That's
sweet.
why,
So sweet.
yeah. Actually, what he believes, no, he always says to us कि अगर तुम्हें एक मतलब एक दिन के लिए काम करना है या एक महीने के लिए काम करना है ना तो फसल
Hmm.
उगाओ अगर तुम्हें 10 साल के लिए काम करना है तो पेड़
Hmm.
उगाओ पर
Hmm.
अगर पूरी जिंदगी के लिए काम करना है ना तो
Hmm.
लोगों को
Hmm.
अपना बनाओ एंड व्हाट ही इज
Wow.
डूइंग
Wow. That is amazing, amazing, amazing. So, Nishita, tell us how all this began. How did Raj get to doing what he did? How did
या
he start करके देखो अच्छा लगता है?
Professionally, Raj is owner of PGs. He is into paying gas business. He
Mm-hmm.
owns many PGs at Ahmedabad. He
All
professionally
right.
works for that, right?
All
But
right.
since his childhood, serving to the neighborhood, to the fellow humans, is what always was in his mind, in his heart. He, being a very practical, very dynamic, I can say he has a very good business sense. But at the same, he has a very soft corner for each and every living thing, I can say, not only the human beings.
Right.
So that thing was every time there since childhood, whenever possible, wherever possible, in whatever manner it was possible. He tried to reach to people, he tried to help them in the best
Right.
way he could.
Right.
So the journey actually begins since his childhood only.
Okay.
But
Okay.
uh, initially, like 5 years back, it started with distributing khichdis uh, frequently. Like it was
Okay.
made that we have to go on this particular Sundays was the first chosen days. That on
Hmm.
Sundays
Hmm.
we will go, and at least 50 to 100 people should be fed by us. That was
Okay.
the targeted set, and they
All right.
initially Raj and his few friends started this initiative. But while
Mm-hmm.
distributing this khichdis and while going through these things, many people wanted to connect. Many people
Okay.
wanted that हमें भी ऐसा करना है. We also want to join you. So
Hmm.
that was the moment. That was the thing that it came to form a group
All
where
right.
we can have lot many people like us who can join in hand because हम अकेले काम करते हैं तो हम थोड़ा ही कर पाएंगे लगे हम जैसे अगर और 10 और 50 या और 100 लोग काम करेंगे तो उतना ही समय में बहुत सारा काम हो पाएगा. दैट इज द थिंग व्हाट ही
करेक्ट.
ऑलवेज थिंक. सो इस वजह से ही स्टार्टेड दिस ग्रुप. करके देखो अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज द ओनली फीलिंग आफ्टर डूइंग अ गुड थिंग इन योर माइंड और इन योर सोल इज करके देखा तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Unless and
Yes.
unless we try, no, we don't know how we feel. So after that trying, we feel is only the good vibes coming out. So this name was
Absolutely.
so this name formed through that feeling only. It's a feeling what every time we guys feel.
Right.
Every every member of our family. Like we have,
Correct.
as you mentioned, we have thousands of family members with us right now who are into connection. Like it's not that everybody is there in every event, but everybody
Yeah.
is still parallelly working wherever they are. It's not that they are working only for a particular thing. There are lot
Beautiful.
many, yeah, there are lot many different things. There are lot many different events and lot many like helps and services everybody is conducting over there in the family.
Right.
uh, yeah, if I brief about our group करके देखो अच्छा लगता है. It is like we are into serving foods. We are providing meals to the needy ones.
Right.
Apart from that, what we believe is we can serve in the best way we could whatever
Hmm.
service the person is requiring from us. जो
Okay.
भी सेवा, जैसी भी सेवा वो हम कर
Right.
सकते हैं. And नाइन्टी नाइन
Correct.
पॉइंट नाइन्टी नाइन परसेंट it is never a no. हो
Right.
जाएगा is what every
Oh.
time Raj says. If you call him,
Oh.
कि Raj,
Huh.
I have to do this, हो जाएगा. The only thing he says
Wow.
is हो जाएगा. And he
Oh my
makes
God.
it happen even in the best way every time.
Wow.
Yeah.
That
So
is
that,
that is so good.
yeah. So these things happen. Now, as I mentioned, कि pandemic से he is running all the way. When we were inside our homes, when there were no one outside, to help the people who were really in need, जिनकी
Right.
नौकरी चली गई थी, those who were like moving here and there in search of foods. They didn't have their job, so they didn't get any income to survive on their families. At
Right.
that
Right.
times, every day, thousands of people were being fed. Thousands of people were being fed both the times, and parallelly, ration kits like basic necessity ki jo kits वगैरह थी, everything was being provided time to time since the lockdown began. When we were in
Right.
our Raj, and there are more few members of our family who were
Right.
on their foots, who were on their foots to completely take care that no one is left out. They went into the
Wow.
very interior areas to help, where we were like having afraid of going also, because this
Hmm.
thing was very afraiding for us कि
Yeah.
यहाँ गए तो कोरोना हो गया, तो वहां गए तो कोरोना
Yeah.
हो गया, तो so that thing was
Right.
like backing us from going
Yeah.
anywhere. And
Yeah.
at that time, being on foot and serving the people was the best thing our group could do for humanity, actually. So that was
Beautiful.
the moment where I can see we felt our paradigm shift.
Yes, absolutely. Because that's what, your karke dekho acha lagta hai is like, you're so unselflessly selfish, that, for the feel good factor, you guys are giving and giving and giving and unconditionally. So Neerav Shah says very proud of karke dekho acha lagta hai, Raj and Nishita and Pinky and the entire team. Yes, Raj is a super leader and proud to be associated with karke dekho acha lagta hai. Yes, we had interviewed Neerav last
Yeah,
a week, I think, in the last week
yeah,
of December, and he also had very nice things to say about करके देखो अच्छा लगता है.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए, sorry बोलिए.
एक्चुअली वेक अप टू ड्रीम जो नीरव सर का फाउंडेशन है, दैट एंड करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, बोथ आर एसोसिएटेड एंड पैरेलली वर्किंग टुगेदर.
Amazing. That is
Yeah.
amazing. You guys are doing such a great job. So, in the New Year's, I mean, pandemic may people have been working selflessly, and in the New Year, we hope with all these beautiful people that we're meeting, we hope to inspire many more people to join hands with you guys and take this good work forward. So, Nishita, tell us about your story. Like you told us how Raj started this. How did you
Yeah.
get associated with करके देखो अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah. Since childhood also I was there कि मुझे सिर्फ अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करना है.
Hmm.
One day when I was 9 years old, we had a function. जो हमारा कम्युनिटी का गेट टुगेदर वगैरह होता है ना, so there we
Right.
had a function where everybody had performed. So I was
Okay.
quite small and I was not able to perform. I insisted that I'll perform a poem. In
Okay.
childhood we used to sing one poem, छोटी सी गुड़िया को गिनती सिखाऊंगी, that one if you remember.
Okay. Okay. No, I didn't do this
So
one. Really.
yeah, we
Huh.
used to sing it very much. Actually, it was a subject poem in Hindi. So I
Okay.
performed
Okay.
that on the stage, and uh, the people used means they gifted us the amounts. Like if she is doing good, then this amount from me. And that was the first day I donated it to the community. I was 9 years
Ah.
old and I just donated that amount to the community. I just felt that I should not use this money for me. I just performed that I wanted to perform. Money is not the thing I wanted to perform actually. So that
Right.
moment, my mind started explaining myself only that if I could work for others, that gives me more happiness in spite
Right.
of
Right.
working for myself only. And slowly
Correct.
and gradually, this thing, like Raj was working, no, parallelly, I also used to do these things. On Thursday, I used to make khichdi and like rice and puri bhajis and everything, and go to Sai Mandir and
Okay.
the people outside or on the roadside, I used to just move, take the food, and whoever I find the needy, I used to serve them. That was my journey of serving my neighborhood the best way possible I
Right.
could.
Right. Right.
One fine day, I just since last 10 years, no, uh, I take Ganpati at my home. I worship him for 10 days. Three
Mm-hmm.
years back, I had a thought: if Ganpati is coming to my home, then there should be something that I should do for education. And
Okay.
that fine day, I decided that the amount for the prasads and everything coming to my home, I will
Hmm.
just donate for the education purpose. And that fine day, I contacted Raj. I came into
Okay.
notice that there's a group, Karke Dekho Acha Lagta Hai, who is working very selflessly for the betterment of the people. And there's
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
slum school, Navrachit
Hmm.
Slum School. There,
Hmm.
that school we met first time where I went to donated books and the stationeries for the students over there.
Right.
And
Right.
that was the first day I met Raj. And
Okay.
slowly and gradually, events happened. We get in touch. We used to go for the events, and our journey began. And I'm just like a part of the family right now. And I'm in front of you right now. This is my
So
journey
good.
to connect with करके देखो अच्छा लगता है. Like
It's so
each and
beautiful.
every time it gives me a pleasure, it every time excites me. Each and every event before that, I'm equally excited to go for the event, because वहां जब जाते हैं ना, जब बच्चे होते हैं, uh, the love, that happiness in their eyes, if we just go there, no, that happiness and love is like it's flooded over there. You get that
Wow.
flooded love, and that's the best moment actually every time for us.
Beautiful. That is so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so brilliant. I love that, you start with giving little and then you get into this big organization and then you do bigger things altogether. That is really nice.
Yeah.
And so tell us, Nishita, on your journey with Raj and with Karke Dekho Acha Lagta Hai, what were the obstacles did you face? Like when you said like एक तो था जैसे जब आप interiors में जा रहे थे कि कोरोना नहीं
Yeah.
हो जाए ये दोनों. What were the
Yeah.
other things that you guys faced?
See,
What were the other?
yeah. If I talk about obstacles and challenges we guys face,
Yeah, yeah.
uh, the people we are into connections with. are the people who actually are not having the awareness, I can say. They are
Okay.
not educated enough. So they actually don't have that sense or that वो समझ नहीं होती है कि उनको जो मिल रहा है ना उसको
बहुत
किस तरह
कीमती है।
यूटिलाइज करे। हाँ, बट उसको किस
हम्म।
तरीके से यूटिलाइज करे।
राइट।
मैनी ऑफ अस फेस दिस सेम प्रॉब्लम कि हम
हम्म।
उन्हें जब कुछ देने जाते हैं ना तो दे
हम्म।
जस्ट फॉर्म देयर हैबिट कि उनकी
हम्म।
एक आदत सी बन जाती है, आया है तो मुझे ले लेना है, सिर्फ ले
ओके।
लेना है, जरूरत नहीं है, दैट ऑल थिंग्स दे डोंट थिंक इवन कि
हम्म।
बस वो देने आ रहे हैं ना तो हमें ले लेना है। दैट इज द
राइट,
थिंग,
राइट।
वो मुझे भी मिलना चाहिए। मेनी अ
या।
टाइम many a times if you'll go to give the clothes and everything, no, they don't have their kids like that. They don't are not connecting to those materials even, but still
हम्म।
आप देने आए हो तो उन्हें ले लेना है। तो
ओ।
to manage those peoples are the most, I can say, challenging things for us. Like
राइट,
slowly and gradually we are trying to work on all these aspects where we can teach them or where we can just make them realize even that just try and focus to the things that is that necessary for them, what they are
राइट,
getting,
राइट।
what's the purpose of taking the thing. So we are
करेक्ट।
slowly and gradually working for all these factors even, but these are the challenges we face. Like कभी कभी
हम्म।
ऐसा होता है हम कुछ देने गए हैं, we have
हम्म।
some quantity, अगर मैं आज 10 केले लेके गई हूँ लेकिन एकदम से 50 बच्चे आ जाते हैं, so that's
राइट,
again and challenge for us, but nothing
राइट।
else. Those things are manageable,
हम्म।
but there are challenges of these many kinds, many challenges come ways.
आपने वो भी बताया था when we were having a telephonic conversation about the
Yeah,
cycles, when you
yeah.
were donating cycles. So tell us about that.
uh, Not cycle actually. I mentioned
Hmm.
about the food. It many
Okay.
times happen कि हम लोग कुछ फूड देने गए हैं, they find
Hmm.
कि हाँ कुछ अच्छा सा फूड आया है, they just take
Hmm.
it away, and
Hmm.
in front of us many times we have seen they throwing out the food
Correct,
into the
correct. Yes.
garbages. They
Yeah, yeah.
throw out in the garbages in front of us. We are seeing that thing. So now we have been checking out the things that really they are hungry, really they need
Hmm.
the food, then only we give. Otherwise, we don't
Right.
just even entertain such people because ये
Yeah.
habit नहीं होनी चाहिए. We are there to help, but we don't
Correct.
want to be habitual to anything. We want them
Right.
parallelly independent to like think and work on
Right.
their own feet even.
And they also used to sell the things that you guys would donate and then get the money,
Yeah,
and then they wanted
yeah,
just cash most of the
yeah,
times.
it
ऐसे भी
happens.
हुआ था.
Actually, we haven't faced such personally, yeah, but we have heard about all this kind of things. कि
Hmm.
बहुत बार ऐसी चीजें होती है कि they take away the thing, they take the things and
Hmm.
they sell it out because they don't require it. They just are interested in the cash. So these things
Right. Right.
happen. Usually, it's commonly happening everywhere.
Yeah.
We have also
Yeah.
heard about all this kind of
Right,
factors.
right.
Uh,
So this is quite a challenge for you guys, and
yeah,
I believe you guys are sitting and educating people कि
yeah.
ये करने से ऐसा होता है, and like I'm
Yeah, we
that is
plan.
a great way.
But the thing happens, no, we spend an hour or 2 hours with them, but the most
Right,
of time they spend is with their family, with their
right.
parents. So
Hmm.
वो 2 hour का impact रहता है, but
Hmm.
again वो 22 hours वाला impact उस पे भारी पड़ जाता है. So it's what we have to be frequently over there. Either we are not frequent, then the things
Yeah,
get disturbed again and again. So
correct,
those
correct.
are the challenges for us that we have to be frequent. We have to be very keen on explaining them, on letting them learn the things, and we have to be constant for each and everything. If we miss
Right,
or if we skip, then the things get again back to what it was.
correct, Correct, I'm sure. Raj is, I think, briefly was on the live and he said, so, so proud of you, Nishita. So at least we had Raj on
Yeah,
the interview, at least having a look.
actually, he was unable to join the live, but he said that I'll try to just connect through the live video and just
Yeah.
be there on the moments itself.
Right. So sweet
Because
that is. Yeah.
yeah,
I mean, he truly, he's setting an example, of, like just keep doing, all these interviews
yeah,
and ye sab hota rahega, he's so busy just doing things, and that is,
yeah.
maybe we'll catch him at a later date, you let me know secretly which month is a lean period for Karke Dekho Acha Hota Hai, where,
I
and
will
then
tell
we'll
you
try and get him, or we'll have to get him like on the side while he's doing things. We will get him live.
that's a nice idea, actually.
Yeah. In fact, I was going to tell you about today also that if he's busy
Yeah,
in a this, we could probably catch him there and make him say hi
yeah.
to our viewers. Okay. So we've
Actually,
spoken about
today is a
go on.
blanket distribution day and a birthday celebration. So he is into an area where
Yeah.
network issues may be there. So he
All
didn't
right.
connect with us today.
How sweet. That is so sweet.
And
So
on the stocks, no, one thing I would like to tell you that what Raj always believes, and he does this for
right.
every member of the family.
Hmm.
He tries to put the talents of other people's up first. Then
Right.
he says, "मैं हूँ हमेशा, तो तुम
Right.
आगे बढ़ो, तुम आगे बढ़ो."
Wow.
He tries to encourage each and every members associated with him to move further, to achieve the targets, to fly high in the sky. So that's what he
Right.
always does for everyone in the family.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. That is a true leader. That is a true leader. Pinky Shah says करके देखो अच्छा लगता है वाह निशिता. So you have a lot of shabashi happening on your on the chat. Okay,
Yeah.
so Nishita, you've talked about your journey with Karke Dekho. You've spoken about Raj. You've spoken about obstacles. Tell us the impact of Karke Dekho अच्छा लगता है. How many people have you reached? How many lives have you guys touched? What are the different events that you guys do? Tell us a little bit about करके देखो अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, sure. Uh, if I talk about family, you
Hmm.
already mentioned that we have thousands of family members, and now,
17,000 strong. That's only on
yeah,
Facebook. I'm sure there's so many people who are
yeah,
not on Facebook. Right.
yeah, and reaching about the life is again same. It's thousands of lives we have been reached, and we target to means reach more and more people we could in the best possible way. As I
Beautiful.
already said कि अगर एक जन काम करेगा तो वो 10 लोगों के लिए काम करेगा, अगर
Hmm.
10 करेंगे तो वो 100 के लिए करेंगे, लेकिन ऐसे हजारों लोग काम करेंगे तो वो कई लाखों के लिए काम कर पाएंगे. तो दैट्स व्हाट वी बिलीव एंड वी वांट. तो इसीलिए फैमिली को जितना बड़ा हो सके हम लोग करेंगे, क्योंकि ज्यादा लोग
Right.
फैमिली में आएंगे तो ज्यादा लोगों तक हम पहुंच पाएंगे.
Absolutely. So, Nishita, tell us, are you guys only based in Ahmedabad or do you have them all pan India?
Actually, right now working in Ahmedabad majorly, but
Okay.
probably trying to develop and trying to expand more and more. See, if
Okay.
I am there, I have my
Hmm.
relatives at Mumbai, at Chennai, at Bangalore, at Delhi, everywhere. So now,
All
if
right.
I am working today, my family are watching me, right? So now
Right.
they would also wish to join in hand. Now, if you are
Absolutely.
there, if you are at Mumbai, you want to join in hands, it's nothing. You can serve the surroundings around you. You just have to join our group. It's a Facebook group. करके देखो
You're
अच्छा
right.
लगता है. And you
Right.
are just a
Right.
member for us. You can
Right.
you can move out to your surroundings. You can find where the people are there who
Right.
are needy and just connect. And then we are there to guide and we are there to help in best possible way. So wherever you are, you can just serve, and we are there to
Beautiful.
join in hands everywhere. So it's not
Yes.
that we are working on a particular place. Actually, I can say that.
Very good, Nishita. So, what are the other events that you guys have done? Like you just talked about blankets and the feeding the food packets and ration packets. What else
Yeah.
do you guys do?
करके देखो अच्छा लगता है इज वर्किंग फॉर मेनी फैक्टर्स। मैंने पहले भी कहा कि जिस भी सेवा को जिस भी तरीके से आप करना चाहो वो
Hmm.
सेवा हम कर देंगे। इफ
Right.
it's like feeding, then we provide writers for the blind students.
Oh,
Then
okay.
yeah, there are so many blind students who want to build up their careers,
Mm-hmm.
and we strongly believe that education is right of each and every student, or each and every
Okay.
human being, I can say. And if they are willing, in spite of being challenged by nature, they want to build up their career, then we must support them, is what we
Right.
think.
Right.
So again, we have our writers group where there are hundreds of writers who selflessly, being in spite of in their busy schedules, जस्ट ऑन अ सिंगल मैसेज ग्रुप में अभी मैसेज आया कि इस डेट के लिए वी रिक्वायर अ राइटर फॉर ब्लाइंड, एंड विद इन अ
Hmm.
मिनट आई कैन से कि आ जाएगा, आई विल गो।
Okay.
वी हैव
Okay.
सच एक्टिव फैमिली मेंबर्स नो that in within minutes our work gets done in, we don't have to
Beautiful.
just even request for at many times कि भाई रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर कि ये जरूरत है या ऐसा कुछ।
Right.
so
Right.
that's one factor. Then we are into blood donations.
Okay.
There are so many organizations who require bloods for the cancer
Hmm.
patients or
Hmm.
for the patients who are unable to manage the blood. So we
Okay.
have our group again where we have group in that blood donors are there, and इक्वली लाइक दोज एक मैसेज आ गया कि ब्लड का रिक्वायरमेंट है, एंड विद इन मिनट्स प्रोबेबली 10 to 15 तो जवाब आ ही जाते हैं कि आई विल गो। दैट्स व्हाट द क्विक
Wow.
रिस्पॉन्सेस वी आर रिसीविंग फ्रॉम आवर एक्टिव मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली एक्चुअली।
Wow.
apart from this we as we believe in educating, तो कई सारे ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं बिकॉज बीइंग पोवर, तो पेरेंट्स जस्ट रिमूव फ्रॉम द स्कूल्स। उनको बोलते हैं फीस नहीं है, कहाँ से पढ़ाएंगे, कैसे करेंगे, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स दे डू नो। तो वी
Right.
ट्राई कि हम उनकी फीस भरे, उनको जो
Hmm.
भी एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड सामान चाहिए ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वी ट्राई एंड प्रोवाइड देम, और वी
Right.
मेक श्योर कि उसका यूटिलाइजेशन तो प्रॉपर हो ही हो, और कहीं पे
Hmm.
भी वो अटके नहीं, कहीं पे भी उसका
Right.
एजुकेशन स्टॉप नहीं होना चाहिए। तो उसका
Right.
फुल एंड फुल हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं। सो दैट्स
Right.
अगेन एन सेक्टर वी आर वर्किंग इन।
Right.
apart from that we strongly believe that old age homes हैं, then
Hmm.
orphanages हैं, ऐसी सारी
Right.
जगहों पे है ना सेलिब्रेशंस जो होते हैं लाइक
Right.
इट्स एन होली, दिवाली एंड ईच एंड एवरी
Right.
मोमेंट्स वे भी स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस। हम लोग तो घर पे
Wow.
खुशियां मनाते हैं हमारी फैमिली के साथ, वी एंजॉय ऑल द थिंग्स। सो व्हाट वी
Beautiful.
ट्राई के जो भी सेलिब्रेशंस आते हैं, जो भी इवेंट्स आती है, we try to celebrate with different kind of peoples and
Yeah.
organizations. We could best way we could do. Apart
Right.
from this, every Sunday we have our drive. On every Sunday mornings we go to random slum areas where we distribute vegetables, fruits, I can say slippers, clothes, स्नैक्स एंड बेसिक नेसेसिटी की जो थिंग्स रहती है, randomly
Right.
we distribute all these things as per their needs. Now
Right.
it's been since many time years I can say we are going no, तो वो सामने से हक से मांग लेते हैं कि अगली बार आओगे ना तो ये लेके आना, अभी ये चाहिए हमें है। तो दे कैन हक से वो हमारे पास मांग सकते हैं, ऐसा हो गया है हमारे साथ। So every
So good.
Sunday we have our drive where we distribute the things. अपार्ट
Okay.
फ्रॉम दिस जैसे सीजन्स आ गए थे, अभी ब्लैंकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चल रहा है। जब
Hmm.
कोरोना था तब आई मेंशन के उस टाइम पे राशन किट्स वाज द बेसिक नेसेसिटी, फूड वाज द बेसिक नेसेसिटी।
You're
और
right.
के अलावा जैसी भी किसी की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट, जैसे बर्थडेज वगैरह रहते हैं, तो पीपल वांट, नाउ इवन यू एंड मी वुड विश कि हम अपने बच्चों को है ना ऐसा सिखाए कि दे लर्न ह्यूमैनिटी, दे
Right.
लर्न a soft corner where they have a feeling कि वो इस मतलब आई कैन डोंट माइंड माय वर्ड्स, बट अभी एक रूड सी दुनिया बन गई है बाहर,
Yes, yes,
जहाँ लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि मेरा कोई फायदा नहीं तो मैं क्यों करूं।
correct.
तो वी ऑल वांट दैट आवर चिल्ड्रन शुड लर्न दैट कुछ फायदा ना हो ना, तो भी कुछ
तो
ऐसी
भी,
चीजें कर लो तो खुशी
correct.
मिले, और वो खुशी है
Yes,
ना वो हमारे फायदे के लिए ही होती है। तो वी वांट आवर
तो भी,
चिल्ड्रन टू लर्न दिस थिंग्स, सो दैट
yes,
इज व्हाट आर फैमिली मेंबर्स डू। वो अपने बच्चों के बर्थडेज हैं, अपनी एनिवर्सरीज हैं, ऐसे छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स है, कुछ नहीं है, यूं ही बस
yeah,
बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है। तो वो
right. तो
सेलिब्रेशंस
भी,
वगैरह हेयर करते हैं, वहां जाते हैं, उनके साथ गेम्स खेलना है, उनके लिए कभी कुछ सरप्राइज गिफ्ट लेके जाना है, ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें जो है ना, वो सब चीजें हम लोग करते हैं टू मेक देम फील गुड एंड मेक अस फील गुड। You earlier mentioned that we are selflessly selfish. Actually, we are. We are selfish
तो भी,
for our happiness. That those things gives us, I can say, a peace in our mind, a peace in our soul, to
yes,
motivate and to make us move further, and it makes us eager actually कि अभी तो सिर्फ इतना ही अचीव किया है, that are there are lot many peoples in this world where we haven't even reached yet, haven't even done anything for them yet, so क्यों नहीं,
right,
so let's
correct.
go out.
Amazing, amazing. That is such a brilliant thought. Raj is saying thank you so much. Thanks. The paradigm shift in Deepshikha Mehra करके देखो अच्छा लगता है. Raj, we have to tell you that we are thankful for you that you started something like this. I think only love is real. Like Dr. Brian Weiss, his book. There is a book that I read long, long time ago. Only love is real, and
Yeah,
everything else is an illusion. And being more kind and being more compassionate, I think that is the most beautiful feeling in the world. Jigna Gajjar says great, Indira Koka says super, Varsha Prajapati says super thought. And while we were having that conversation, you told me that you and Raj also feel that you know it doesn't have to be that you have to reach out to far people and all that. Even if you're in your own environment and you start helping your domestic help, your driver, people down, or you just decide
yeah,
that you want to give food there, so then everybody would form a giving, we would have a more giving society. And we won't have to rely on just these big organizations if everybody starts to give. That is such a beautiful and such a noble thought. So
actually
yeah.
that's what
And
I would like to say here something. I'm sorry, I just
no,
cutting you
no,
short.
no, please, please, it's all about you, please.
बट या वी स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे हैं अभी राइट नाउ सिटिंग हियर, इफ यू आर विलिंग कि मुझे किसी की हेल्प करनी है, जस्ट पिक अप योर मेट, योर सिक्योरिटी पर्सन, इफ यू कन्वर्स विद देम ना, द मेन थिंग ना टू नो दैट नीड। देखो हर बार ऐसा नहीं होता
Yeah,
कि सिर्फ पैसा ही उनकी नीड होती है।
correct.
Each and every human needs a conversation. Each and everybody wants someone there to listen to them. Just few moments, if you listen to them, no, automatically that thing comes out of their mind. Automatically they will just have and trust and faith on you. Okay, this person, I can tell my problem or my need to that person. No, might be I get a solution. For that,
Wow.
just there is a moment you just need to listen to that person, and listening
Wow.
of those 5 minutes will make yourself able to help lot many people around you. So that's the thing you can begin in with.
Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, everybody that is listening up here, let's start with this thought that just start helping people around you, which will just make you feel so good. Like the tagline, the punchline of this program says, "Karke dekho, acha lagta hai." That is so, so,
Yeah.
so beautiful. So, go
Actually,
on.
after doing this, no, you will only say this thing because
I know.
each and every time, the only thing we could express is "करके देखो अच्छा लगता है." Nothing else is there for
Seriously.
us to express actually.
Seriously, seriously. And so, Nishita, tell us how do you guys operate? Like, if one needs to donate something, so do you guys have like this? So we could, please tell us about how do you accept donations and stuff, so we can put the links in this video below.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I would like to I like mention here that "करके देखो अच्छा लगता है" is just a bridge connecting the donor and the donee. We don't take donation. If you are
Okay.
there, you want to donate, we have peoples, we know the need of the peoples, and we will just connect you to the correct persons who are in actual need of them, and it's between you and the receiver. We are just the
Wow.
bridge to connect them.
Wow.
But
Wow.
if anyone wants to be the part of our family, they can just go to the Facebook page of our group. We have a page and we have a group even. They just
Yeah.
have to join our group करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, and there
Right.
they will be getting the details about our activities, our coming up events, and slowly and gradually they can connect to us, they can be the part of the events, and they can be the part of the family as well.
Okay, that is amazing. That is so beautiful. Yes, we have tagged "Karke Dekho Acha Lagta Hai" in this video, so we will be
Yeah.
putting and we will be urging more people to join in. So, since we are from Bombay, I'm sure that Facebook will have many more people joining your family, and this is going to be a beautiful ride. So, any last words any views that you want to put out there for our viewers and your viewers?
Uh, Before ending up, no, I would just like to say a few things.
Hmm.
Uh, पहले तो I would like to say कि जियो तो ऐसे जियो, जियो तो ऐसे जियो कि जिंदगी कम पड़ जाए, मगर हंसो तो ऐसे हंसो कि रोना भी कम पड़ जाए.
Oh, amazing. That is so beautiful.
And I would like to say, to be very honest, that I am very actually surprised. I'm actually very stunned to know how you manage these things. I have seen your page, Paradigm Shift, and
Hmm.
like you're doing an amazing work. Hats off to
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you so much.
You are bringing so much awareness amongst the people. You are bringing so much highlights among the people uh, in like so many factors. It's not just particular point you are highlighting. You are bringing up
Right,
so many different types of contexts for everyone to highlight in their
right,
life, to accept them, to follow them. So hats off
right.
to you, actually.
Thank you so much. That is what we intend to do. अभी तक हम लोग ने we have not ukhadoed anything like like you guys are, if I
नो,
may
वो
be
तो हमने भी अभी नहीं
absolutely
उखाड़ा. वो तो हमने
if
भी
I
अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है.
if I may be absolutely earthy with my language, because I'm just so we had people who are like cleaning up beaches in Bombay, and giving sanitary napkins and feeding so many people, and this person is like, I'm 30 and I feel old, and I'm like, listen, you're 30 and you've achieved so much, and I am going to turn 50 and I don't think I've achieved anything. This is just like the beginning of my journey, and the least I can do is create awareness and bring about this, and it's been Nishita, it's been so good. We started with like just 10, 15 interviews, and now there are people who are reaching out and, giving us references of such beautiful human beings, such as yourself and your organization, that it's just so overwhelming and so beautiful and so, so, so beautiful.
You're
So,
doing such a great job, actually. You are bringing
thank you
so
so
many
much.
peoples into life, actually.
Wow, thank you so much,
So,
Nishita.
so that's of kind of ukadifying only in its own way.
Right. Okay, so basically, Harsh Patel sends all sorts of hearts and roses.
Yes.
Basically, what I want to tell is everybody that is joining us from the paradigm shift, please go and follow करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, because it is a beautiful feeling. So please join this group, please join, follow their events, please be a part of whatever they're doing. From wherever you are, you can take part in their events and start helping people around you. We have to be a more kind and a more giving society. And everybody that is joining us from Karke Dekho Acha Lagta Hai, please follow our page, The Paradigm Shift, because we
Yes.
are highlighting beautiful content from beautiful people such as Nishita, Raj, and every week on Wednesdays and Saturdays we bring people, highlight people that have done good for themselves and the society, and we are trying to become a beautiful and a more giving society. So Harsh Patel says
Here,
beautiful people attract beautiful responses. So true, Harsh.
here,
Boliye.
one thing I'll add to your request, I can say that it just takes a little effort. You just have to cross that borderline of doing something and not doing something. You just have to move a step, just move out, reach to the people, and you can like take the sky in your hands. You can just fly high in the sky.
Wow.
So just have to
Beautiful.
move a little bit, nothing else.
Wow.
So try a bit
Wow.
effort, and the destiny and the things will come up to you automatically.
Beautiful. That is so well said. It's brilliant. So, so, so brilliant. So, Nishita, thank you so much for being a part of our Facebook Live, and we hope to reach many more people with your help. And Raj, I'm telling this to Nishita that there is you have to, you cannot bhago from us. You will have to do an interview with us. Nishita,
Sure,
you go live from the event, okay?
I, that's a
With us.
better idea actually.
Yeah.
That's a better idea.
Yeah.
I'd like to thank you, even Dikshika. This is the best thing you are doing for everybody. Keep doing and keep letting us inspire ourselves by your different types of like I can say concepts. Thank you.
So sweet. Thank you so much. I love that thing what you said, that we are, letting us inspire yourself. That is an amazing thing. That is actually something that, we need to keep inspiring ourselves to, grow more and,
You have to
do
just
for more
inspire
pursuit.
yourself. You have to just inspire yourself, and the things happen themselves. Nothing
Right.
else. And each and every person has an inspiring quality, actually. We just have to
Right.
find those qualities from them.
So true. So true. That is beautiful. So thank you so much, Nishita, for joining us. And this
Thank
was
you.
a lovely interview, and it was very, very heartwarming. And thank you, Raj, for Karke Dekho Acha Lagta Hai. And we hope to see more of you on the Paradigm Shift.
The
Thank you,
pleasure
and
is
see
all
you.
mine today. The pleasure is all
Same,
mine today, actually.
same here, babe. Same here. Thank you. And have a nice year, great year. And let's
Thank
be
you.
more giving.
Same to you.
Bye.
Bye bye.